In a world where conventional housing costs continue to climb, and many people seek more autonomy in how they live, the concept of building your own home has taken on fresh urgency. Few projects capture this ethos as viscerally as transforming an old school bus into a mobile home, turning what was once a mass transit vehicle for students into a personalized, functional living space on wheels. Unlike a superficial facelift or simple renovation, this video documents a full-scale rebuild, one that encompasses nearly every aspect of home construction, but done in a compact, creative, mobile context. The result is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also practical, functional, and deeply reflective of the lifestyle aspirations that drive the Schoolie and tiny home movements. The starting point: ordinary bus, extraordinary potential. The journey begins with an old, retired school bus, a structure originally designed for durability, not comfort. Its long, narrow profile, rows of seats, and utilitarian build are typical of school buses that have seen decades of service. Yet in the eyes of the creators from Life Anywhere, that same structure represents opportunity. YouTube. Indeed, what others might see as scrap or merely an interesting repurposing challenge, these builders see as a blank canvas. They envision a home that can travel, flex, and adapt. One that carries the essence of freedom and mobility. In this opening segment of the video, the creator emphasizes that the project isn't just about construction. It's about reimagining what a home can be. This emotional and philosophical framing sets the tone for the rest of the video, and it is a primary reason the project resonates with large audiences. Bus conversions are not merely technical build tutorials. They speak to deeper values of reinvention, independence, and intentional living. Stripping down to the bones. Preparation and demolition. One of the most striking transitions in the video occurs early, when the bus interior is stripped down to its structural bones. This stage goes far beyond removing seats. It entails clearing out decades of accumulated materials, panels, and unusable elements to reveal the fundamental shell. This empty canvas moment is symbolic. It marks the end of the bus's prior life and the beginning of a new one. For builders, this phase is both physically and emotionally significant because it transforms the perception of the space from institutional to personal. YouTube. Removing seating and interior fixtures also creates open floor space, allowing builders to plan the layout more creatively. With the interior cleared, they can reimagine circulation paths, allocate zones for different functions, and begin thinking like architects rather than renovators. Structural transformation. Building the home framework. With the bus emptied, the video moves into core construction. Installing insulation, subfloors, walls, and frameworks needed for a livable space. In contrast to typical RV or prefab conversions, this stage involves framing a shell that resembles a traditional home interior, with defined areas for kitchen, bathroom, bedrooms, and living zones. The video shows that transformative work includes installing a moisture-resistant subfloor, adding insulation to regulate temperature, establishing wall framing and partitions, creating structural support for cabinetry and fixtures. What makes this stage particularly compelling is how quickly the space begins to feel like a home. Clean lines, wood finishes, and thoughtful layout design replace the previously empty and industrial interior, making the living space feel welcoming and intentional. YouTube. Interior aesthetics, designing for comfort and functionality. While the structural work creates the bones of the house, the interior design breathes life into it. Rather than merely focusing on technical installation, this segment highlights how intentional design drives emotional comfort and space usability. The creators emphasize aspects such as cozy, natural wood finishes, clean, modern lines, practical kitchen design, efficient use of space without clutter. The kitchen, in particular, emerges as a focal point. It's compact yet elegant, a space designed for real cooking and living, not just staging. Materials such as light wood and well-finished surfaces help balance warmth and practicality. YouTube. Living and sleeping areas follow a similar design philosophy. The layout is open yet distinct, fostering personal comfort without compromising functionality. Every piece of furniture, from seating to storage, reflects careful consideration of space efficiency and comfort. Character over flash. Authenticity in design. One of the most compelling aspects of this build is its grounded, pragmatic approach. Rather than pushing for extravagant luxury or overbuilding for social media spectacle, the project emphasizes authentic utility, a space that feels genuinely usable for real lifestyles on the road. The creators focused on things like practical circulation and living comfort, natural textures and calming hues, storage solutions suited to mobile living, spatial design that supports long-term use. This focus on modesty and thoughtfulness allows viewers to imagine themselves living in such a space, not just admiring it as an unattainable spectacle. It's relatable because it places priority on living well versus living grandly. Exterior refresh, completing the identity shift. Transformation is not limited to the interior. The video also provides a satisfying look at exterior upgrades. The once bright yellow school bus shell is stripped and refinished, giving it a cleaner, more refined presence on the road. This exterior makeover serves two essential purposes. Aesthetic identity. The bus no longer looks like a mass transport vehicle. Instead, it becomes recognizable as a mobile home with personality, intent, and purpose. Functional integrity. Fresh painting, sealing, and potential upgrades to body panels can enhance durability and weather resistance for travel. YouTube. The finished look communicates readiness for adventure. A visual invitation to travel and explore. Final reveal. A home with purpose and emotion. The highlight of the video is the final walkthrough. With lighting, furnishings, and functional spaces in place, the bus transformation comes alive. Soft lighting, wooden surfaces, and thoughtful layouts combine to make a space that feels comfortable, intentional, and genuinely livable. The final reveal is not just about visual appeal, but about emotional resonance. Views of the kitchen, lounge, and sleeping spaces emphasize what this life could feel like, not just what it looks like. This subtle but powerful distinction is why bus conversion content resonates widely. Lifestyle beyond construction. The philosophy of mobile living. While the video documents a construction process, it also implicitly conveys a lifestyle philosophy, one rooted in mobility, simplicity, freedom, and self-reliance. In detailing not just how, but why the creators pursued this project, the video touches on themes common in the tiny home and Schoolie communities. These themes include escape from conventional mortgage-based living, emphasis on experiences over possessions, appreciation for craftsmanship and skill, desire for mobility and life flexibility. Such themes explain why countless people are drawn to similar projects. They represent not just a change in living spaces, but a shift in priorities toward experiences, adaptability, and control over personal environments. The broader context: bus conversions and Schoolie culture. The Life Anywhere project is far from an isolated example. It sits within a larger world of Schoolie conversions, where buses, often long retired from service, are transformed into homes, offices, or creative spaces. Across the internet and social media, families have converted buses into two-story homes, complete with bedrooms and bathrooms. The Sun. Builders have raised roof heights to increase livable space and create multi-level interiors. Gear Junkie. Creators have installed solar panels, custom storage systems, and off-grid power setups. Motor1.com. This trend reflects wider societal shifts, from remote work flexibility and minimalism to rising property expenses and a desire for purposeful design. Technical and practical insights. While the video focuses on the story of the transformation, there are practical, technical lessons embedded within the footage as well. 1. Space optimization. Making the most of limited square footage means smart planning, multifunctional furniture, and customized solutions. In Schoolies, every inch counts, so designers often use fold-away tables, convertible beds, built-in storage, and modular design. Home hacks. 2. Mechanical and structural challenges. Transforming a bus into a home requires structural modifications, such as strengthening frames, leveling floors, and accommodating utilities like electrical, water, and sewage. These steps move the build beyond mere cosmetic upgrades. 3. Insulation and climate control. State-of-the-art insulation is essential for year-round livability. Many conversions employ foam insulation and sealing techniques similar to traditional houses. 4. DIY versus professional work. Many builders take a hybrid approach, handling woodworking, interior design, and finishing themselves, while hiring professional help for complex electrical or mechanical systems. Schoolie communities online often share advice and solutions for balancing DIY efforts with safe, compliant constructions. Inspiration and community impact. One of the most compelling outcomes of projects like Life Anywhere is community inspiration. The popularity of bus conversion media is not merely about voyeuristic interest in a transformation process. It's about empowerment. These projects inspire others to explore alternative housing options, learn construction and design skills, engage in personal creative projects, develop a deeper understanding of sustainability and spatial efficiency. Across forums, social media, and video platforms, builders share lessons learned, challenges faced, and innovations developed, creating a participatory culture around mobile home creation. Conclusion: the dream realized and shared. The Life Anywhere bus conversion stands as a powerful testament to what is possible when creativity, craftsmanship, and purpose converge. It's not merely about turning metal and wood into living space. It's about rethinking the meaning of home and embracing the potential for mobility, self-direction, and meaningful design. At its core, the video celebrates a transformation of space, lifestyle, and identity, showing that with dedication and imagination, even the most ordinary vehicle can become a vessel for extraordinary living.